Joel from BVN Realty. We're in an amazing property today. We're at Finca Marsella. Finca is a farm. Marsella is Playa Marsella. It's right behind us. We'll see that in a moment. But the Playa Marsella has got a great beach. There's beach bars. We're only about 2-3 kilometers away from the beach, but we have an absolute good ocean view on this amazing property. In the middle of the property, we've got this enormous Guanacaste tree, which is the national tree. But I want to show you over here, we've got a really nice jungle view, amazing big trees. Trees are maybe about 10-15 meters tall. It's very, very quiet. There's no hydro on the property, so you'd have to spend a little bit of money to bring the hydro here and or go solar, go completely off grid. There is a well on the property, so we'll just quickly walk over here. You can see that the property is cleared. We're basically about 100 meters in length and 80 meters in width, give or take. We don't actually have the exact stakes in the ground at the moment. However, amazing property. We've got amazing trees, national trees. This is the big Guanacaste tree in the middle of the property. So you can build in front of it, you can build behind it, you can build to either side of it. The great thing is it provides shade for your home. So if you want to build your custom home here, this is a great property to do so. We'll have more information about this property in the details, but what I just wanted to show, if you can kind of see over by the other trees over there, there is a well very, very close to the property. So to get well into the home is quite easily done. There's a couple of trees here that are blocking a little bit of the waterfront view. They can easily come down. Some trees are protected here in Nicaragua, some are not. Those trees are not, so we can actually remove those and the view is even more spectacular. We'll just quickly go over here, and to the left of the Guanacaste tree is the ocean view. Oh, it's perfect. There's actually a sailboat in the background. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it or not, but there's a sailboat, which will give you a rough idea of distance between the water and here. Wonderful. So if you want to make a great property, build your own custom home, have a little bit of permaculture, put it in your own pool, whatever you want, this is an open canvas for you. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll have more details soon. Hi again. I just wanted to show you where the well is right beside me. What's really cool, we actually just came over to this spot where the well is, and you can see just below the well, this is actually where the road would come up. You can see the house down below. That's the person that owns the property. But there's an amazing opportunity here to clear out this bush very, very easily, and we've got the road coming into the property. But if I raise the camera up from this angle, you actually have still an amazing ocean view of Playa Marsella. So once again, Finca Guanacaste is going to be an amazing opportunity for you to have an amazing home. There's the Guanacaste tree one last time. It will even get even larger as time goes on. So just an amazing property, great views, close to Marsella Beach. You're about maybe 10 minutes from San Juan del Sur. Extraordinary property to do pretty well whatever you want. You can have one home, two homes, some permaculture, whatever you wish. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time. Adios.